Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing about our new trading entry GBP JPY 15-minute chart, how I have taken my entry from this location and I have booked my profit here. I will be showing you what are the conditions for this entry and how to book your profit and where to put your stop loss. So let's discuss in detail. And this is my powerful trading setup. I have been using this setup quite some time now, and it is actually a 6-step based trading setup, and I will show you step by step guide. These are the conditions. I have listed down all of my conditions here. Now this is the first condition, that is price must be touching the lower band or below the channel band. You can see that there are two bands. The first one is the upper band and this one is the lower band. We will look for sell entries from upper band and we will look for buy entries from the lower band. And for this candle you can see that it is touching the lower band or it must be below the lower band. These are the conditions for first point. Either it is touching the lower band or it is below the lower band. Now let's move to our second condition, that is blue diamonds appear at above specified level. The level that we have pointed out, there must be blue diamonds near to this area. That is, this is the first one, this is the second one blue diamond, and this is the third one blue diamond. Both conditions are met here. Now let's move to our third condition, that is momentum indicator must not be far away from its center line. This is the momentum indicator and very powerful indicator. It tells us about whether the price is moving in a strong momentum or whether it is in a low momentum. And once it is, this is the center line, and once the price is far away from its center line, if it is above the center line, far away from the center line means price is moving really fast in the upward direction. And if it is below the center line, and it means that price is moving really fast in the downward direction. Like you can see that this is far away from the center line, means price is moving really fast in the downward direction. And for this entry, our third condition is momentum indicator must not be far away from its center line. You can see that this is the center line, and for this candle it is not far away from the center line. And you could, if you see at the most right side, you can see that it is displaying minus 0.20883, and I recommend you it must not be below than minus 0.40, because below this minus 0.40 means price is moving really fast in the downward direction, and taking a buy entry from this place, it would be very risky because you are going against the trend with a strong momentum. It could very easily hit you as well. Now let's move to our next condition, that is there's a diversion at above specified level. Clearly, if I draw the lines here, you can see that price is making a lower low, and for indicator is making a higher high. So clearly a diversion. It is a bullish diversion, means in the near future we can predict that price will rise. So our fourth condition is also met here. Now let's move to our fifth condition, that is long-term trend indicator must be displaying blue lines. This is the long-term trend indicator, and for 15-minute time frame it is set at 4 hours, and because it is a multi-time frame indicator, for this candle you can see that indicator is displaying blue lines. So for 4 hour price is moving in the bullish trend, and you know that from taking a buy position from here means we are taking entry with the trend. It is a very safe entry, and anyone who want to take entry with the trend, this is a really powerful indicator. Now let's move to our last condition, that is final confirmation indicator must also turn blue. This is the final confirmation indicator for this candle. This is our entry point candle. This candle is displaying blue lines, means there is a bullish pressure out there, and this is the sixth conditions, and all six conditions are in agreement, and you can imagine how powerful this entry will be. I have taken my position here and I have booked my profit here. For SL, you can measure the distance between these two bands and you can put your SL here. Or you can measure the distance between the lower band to the center band and you can put your SL here. It all depends on your risk taking psychology, but be consistent because the strategy will give you powerful results. For take profit, I recommend you the one's price will touch the opposite band. In this case, it is the upper band. You can book your profit on the opposite band. Or if the price touches the middle band, you can turn your turn your SL to the entry point, means you are safe, and unless and until the price touches the upper band, you can hold the entry. I hope you enjoyed this trading setup, and if you want to get in touch with me to discuss about this trading setup, then here is my contact detail. This is the Telegram channel detail. You can reach out to me via this link. It is a paid setup. It is a paid power system, and currently, actually, the original price is $100, but currently I'm offering a 50% discount. And if you are interested, then reach out to me via this Telegram link. I hope you like this video. Please like it and share it with other people. Thank you.